In this video, I will be revealing to you, step-by-step amazing benefits of drinking lemon water in the morning and also secret benefits that you must drinking lemon water from today. Make sure you watch the video till the end, because every single one of these tips are very important. Drinking lemon water in the morning on an empty stomach has been highly touted as one of the simple things you can add to your daily routine which can have a large impact on the health of your skin. This fruit is a great source of vitamin C, vitamin A, beta-carotene, folate, calcium and potassium, just to name a few of the vitamins it contains. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon, so you will be notified whenever we publish a new video. When you drink lemon water first thing in the morning, you're feeding your skin an important dose of the vitamin folate. Found in all citrus fruits and juices, this vitamin, also known as folic acid, helps to eliminate toxins from your body, which helps prevent acne and can even give your skin a natural glow. Drink some lemon water in the morning while giving yourself a DIY glow with our Extend for a surefire way to get your skin glowing. In this video, I will be giving 14 proven benefits of drinking lemon water in the morning on an empty stomach. Turns out there are real benefits to drinking lemon water, but some overhyped ones as well. 1. It boosts your immune system. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a powerful antioxidant that helps ward off disease, and lemons are loaded with it. Just one large lemon contains about 75% of your daily requirement. 1 cup of fresh lemon juice provides 187% of your daily recommended serving of vitamin C. Research has shown that vitamin C can help shorten the duration of cold symptoms and that the best way to reap its benefits is by consuming it in your diet rather than popping a supplement. 2. It brightens your skin. By helping flush the body and improve digestion, lemon water can lead to cleaner skin. It also contains vitamin C, which is needed for collagen production for smooth, healthy skin. Lemons are naturally abundant in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C has been shown time and time again to help decrease wrinkles and reduce the occurrence of blemishes, which we all know are not just a part of adolescence. Lemon water also purges toxins from the blood, which helps keep skin clear and radiant as well. 3. It helps in digestion. The biggest lemon water benefit may be from the temperature of the water and not even the added lemon. Drinking any water, especially warm water, first thing in the morning can help flush the digestive system and rehydrate the body. Think about this, during sleep, you typically haven't been drinking for at least 8 hours. Giving the body adequate water when you first wake up is a great way to get your body and your mind going. 4. It serves as a natural flush. The liver is extremely active during sleep, since this is the body's time to restore and regenerate. Drinking enough water, especially in the morning, helps make sure that the body can perform these jobs most effectively. There is even some evidence that lemon juice can help stimulate proper stomach acid production and bile production. 5. It balances your body's pH. The term pH stands for power of hydrogen, which is a measurement of the alkaline-acidity balance of your body tissues and organs. Ideally, the healthiest pH is slightly alkaline, and even though lemons are acidic on the outside, they're actually an incredibly alkaline food when absorbed by the body. When your body's pH is out of whack, excessively acidic, which can be caused by things like alcohol, stress, lack of exercise and a diet high in processed foods, your body's immune system becomes compromised, leading to inflammation and disease. Incorporating lemon juice and these other alkaline-forming foods into your daily diet will help keep things in balance. Speaking of balance, the smell of lemons may even help reduce stress. 6. It helps with weight loss. Although not understood fully, there are various theories as to why drinking lemon water in the morning may assist with weight loss. Firstly, lemons contain pectin fiber, which assists in fighting hunger cravings throughout the day. Secondly, as lemon water aids in digestion, it can help keep things moving, if you know what we mean, which can assist with keeping our weight balanced. And finally, lemon water essentially has 0 calories, so if you sub out the calorie-rich and sugary orange juice or store-bought smoothie, you'll be taking in fewer overall calories throughout the day. And fewer calories equals weight loss. 7. It provides you with an energy boost. Lemon juice provides your body with energy when it enters your digestive tract, and it also helps reduce anxiety and depression. Even the scent of lemons has a calming effect on your nervous system. Lemons also stimulate energy and can help enhance your mood. How? Both lemons and limes are one of the few foods that contain more negative charged ions than positive ones, which provides your body with a boost of energy when it enters your digestive tract. The refreshing scent of lemon also has mood-enhancing and energizing properties. Its fresh and citrus smell can brighten your mood and help clear your mind. 8. It cleanses your liver and system. That morning glass of lemon water helps flush out the toxins in your body by enhancing enzyme function and by stimulating your liver. 9. It fights colds and flus. We know. It's summer, so cold and flus are not as prevalent. But that doesn't mean they still don't occur. Warm lemon water is recognized as one of the most effective ways to diminish viral infections and their subsequent sore throats, body aches and fevers. Plus, with the lemon juice also boosting your immune system, you'll simultaneously fight off these infections from the get-go. 10. It keeps your brain healthy. Lemons may be best known for their high levels of the powerful antioxidant, vitamin C, but they also are rich in potassium, an important mineral that works alongside sodium for smooth electrical transmission in the brain and nervous system. It has been shown that foods rich in potassium can also help reduce depression, anxiety, fogginess, and forgetfulness. So, if you're feeling like your brain's a bit sluggish, don't forget to reach for that glass of lemon water tomorrow morning. 11. It helps prevent kidney stones. Lemon water helps prevent painful stones in those deficient in urinary citrate, a form of citric acid. More importantly, increased fluids help prevent dehydration, a common cause of kidney stones. 12. It may help you look younger. Another benefit of vitamin C's free radical fighting power is that it protects against skin damage. Of course, it's normal for your skin to gradually lose its elasticity with age, but too much free radical exposure, think pollution, smoke, radiation, UV rays, etc., accelerates the aging process. Antioxidants, like vitamin C, help keep these toxic molecules in check. Vitamin C also boosts your body's collagen production, helping to build healthy tissue and keep skin strong and resilient. Here's a plan for protecting your skin from free radicals. 13. But it's not a miracle elixir. While some have gone so far as to claim that lemon water can cure cancer, that's not true. Lemons contain cancer-fighting antioxidants as well as compounds that have been shown to kill cancer cells, but only when used in concentrated amounts. Instead, research recommends that no surprise, you should be sure to pair your lemon water with a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Bottom line, are the health benefits of hot lemon water often dramatized? Probably. But lemons also have tons of nutritional benefits, so adding it to your daily diet does have some real health perks. 14. It nourishes brain, nerve and muscle cells. Lemons are also a great source of potassium, an essential nutrient that helps send more oxygen to your brain and repair muscle cells. That's why it's one of the 5 minerals you need for a better workout. In addition to potassium, lemons also offer up a hearty serving of magnesium and copper. Magnesium is particularly important for if you're active because the body sweats it out during exercise. Copper isn't a mineral you hear about too often, although it has been gaining popularity recently in skin and beauty products because of its promising anti-aging potential. On the inside, copper helps the body better absorb collagen and is important for energy production. Things lemon water won't do. Drinking enough water and adding a little vitamin C boost are good ideas, but they aren't magic and there is no scientific backing to some of the claims made online about the benefits of lemon water. Balances pH levels. There is a theory that certain foods can leave an acid or alkaline ash in the body. This is true, but this only affects the pH of the urine and not the pH of the blood. Flushes toxins. Drinking water is important to help the body naturally eliminate cellular waste, a process that it does naturally, but claims that lemon water has a special ability to flush toxins without defining what they are or how this process works are overblown. Prevents cancer. Many of the same videos that claim that lemon water alkalizes the body claim that it promotes an alkaline environment where cancer cells cannot thrive. Increases IQ. While drinking water or lemon water in the morning can help with alertness and focus, there is no evidence that water with lemon actually increases the IQ over the long term. How do I drink lemon water? Simply squeeze half of a lemon into a glass of water. How much? When? It really doesn't matter. Any way you do it, it's a big plus for your health. Don't forget the peel. Capture the rich nutrients by zesting your lemon, organic, please, and using in baking or cooking. Will it hurt my teeth? Theoretically, lemon acid can be harmful to your enamel, but you're diluting it here. As long as you don't make a habit of sucking on lemons all the time, you should be fine. Packed with all the goodness, make it a point to begin your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Its cleansing and healing effects will have positive effects on your health in the long run. However, it is very important to note that when lemon juice comes directly in contact with the teeth, it can ruin the enamel on the teeth. Hence, it is advised to consume it diluted and also rinse your mouth thoroughly after drinking lemon juice. It is always important to support our bodies by drinking enough water, especially in the morning. Lemon water won't be a miracle cure, but it might be a better alternative to caffeinated drinks, especially for those with adrenal problems. One caution: I've found that starting to drink water first thing in the morning when you aren't used to it can cause a few minutes of nausea. So it might be a good idea to start slowly and not used to drinking this much. Do you drink lemon water in the morning? Have you noticed any benefits? Comment below. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.